This video explains how to import your uniform student size information into CHARMS. The CHARMS Uniform Size Import Wizard guides you through the process of importing the size information into CHARMS. However, be aware that students can enter this information for themselves. Once they log in, they can go to Update Personal Information and click on the small uniformed person icon. The import process involves several different procedures, which we'll cover in this video. First, you'll need to download the CHARMS Uniform Size template. This file is a spreadsheet to help you put your size information in the right order for the import. You must use this file for the import. Once you have downloaded the template, you'll work with that file in Excel to prepare your information. When the information is ready to import, you'll return to the Import Student Uniform Size Wizard screen in CHARMS, where you will upload the Excel file, review the data, and finalize the import. Now that you understand the process, let's look at each procedure. First, you'll need to go to the Import Student Uniform Size Wizard screen to download the template file for your uniform information. To get to this screen, first click on the Uniforms icon at the top of the screen. Select the Import/Export black tab. Select Import Sizes from the list. Click on the Download Template button to save the CHARMS template to your computer. Your browser will ask whether you want to open or save the file. You should save the file before opening it. Make sure that you don't change the name of the file when you save it. Let's take a quick look at that Excel file. The file consists only of column headers at the top for all of the information that CHARMS stores for your student uniform sizes. The only column that is required is the student ID number. All other columns are optional. Next to each column header is information about the number of characters you can include or what type of data is required for that column. You'll need to get your student size information into this file. If you don't have this information in a database file already, enter the information and save as you go until it's all entered, or just upload a group of students' information at a time, starting with an empty template when you begin working on the next group. If you do have this information in a database file already, you can copy and paste into the template. An easy way to do this is to view both your student size file and the CHARMS Student Uniform Sizes template files side by side. You can size each file to take half of your screen like this example. Copy your information into the CHARMS template one column at a time to get the information in the right order. Make sure that you don't paste the information over the column header in the CHARMS template file. If you are importing the optional information, make sure it's in the requested format so that there are no errors with the import. When the CHARMS Uniform template file is ready, make sure to save it with the original file name. If you change the file name, CHARMS will not be able to import it. Save the file as an Excel 97-2003 type and remember where you saved it. Next, you'll need to return to the Import Student Uniform Size Wizard screen to upload the file. Select the Browse button. Navigate to the location of the CHARMS Student Uniform Sizes template file that you saved. Select Open. Select Upload File. On the next screen, you can review the information that will be uploaded to CHARMS. If you have any red text or errors, you'll need to go back to the Excel file to correct the errors and resave the file, overwriting the old version. Then return to the Import Student Uniform Size Wizard screen and upload the file again. When the data is ready to import, scroll to the bottom of the screen and select Validate Uniform Size File. This process can take some time if you have a large number of students. Do not click the Validate button twice. Wait for it to finish. On the next screen, you may need to review issues with the import. If so, fix the Excel file, resave, and try again. If all is well, the screen will say, Your data has been validated. Select Import Uniform Size Data to do the final entry. Congratulations! You've imported your student uniform size information. Note that unlike the other import screens, you can replace or overwrite this data by re-importing it. You can also import additional student uniform sizes at any time by repeating the process with new information, starting with an empty template. Be sure to check out our library of videos for help with other CHARMS Office procedures.